Evernote tutorial for beginners: how to use Evernote as a complete beginner for productivity. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Evernote and how you can schedule your tasks, meetings, create notes, and organize your work with Evernote. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to evernote.com and you will get on this platform right here. Evernote is a very famous platform that allows you to create your own notes, tasks, and it helps you meet your ultimate personal or work need. So once you are on evernote.com, you can just sign up for free. You can see right here. If you click on the sign up, then it will take you to the pricing plan for Evernote. And if we check out the monthly plan, we have a free plan, personal plan, which is for $7.99, and then a professional plan, which is going to be $9.99. So you can sign up for free as well, or you can go with the pricing plans. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. You can just sign up with your email address or your Google account, and you will get right here on this dashboard. You can see right here, this is my Evernote, and now I will show you around how we use it, how I personally use Evernote, and what are the different features and tools we get. So you are on your Evernote, and this is the panel where we work most of the time. So this is like my account details right here. And then we have new options. So this is like a quick add option that allows me to create a note or a task really easily. And then we also have the attachment option and sketch. Here I will be able to attach any kind of file, any kind of photo, video, whatever I want. And then we also get the sketch option. So I will just get to these options in a bit. And then we have like home here. So right now I am on my home, and it will show me all of my recent notes that I have created. Similarly, if I just scroll down, we have our notebooks, and we can have more than one notebook as well. Notebook is just like having a notebook, and you can have like different notebooks for different uses. You can have one for personal use, you can create one notebook for work, and you can organize your work here. Then we have tags, and tag help us organize our work and get more productive. We can give different tags to different tasks, and it will help me remember, and it will help me identify. Then we have shared with me option as well, and we can share our workspace right here, our Evernote, with other team members too. And here is our trash, where I will be able to see my deleted notes. And then right here, we have our recent notes again, suggested, and I'll be able to get a quick overview of my different recently added and uploaded media. We can also customize our Evernote, and that's like the first thing we do, and you can just organize it the way you want. So I'm going to click on this customize option, and it will allow me to change the background color if I want. We have different notebook layouts. If I want to add my notebooks separately here, and then we have like pinned notes, we have shortcuts that we can add, we have tags. So if you want to like customize it and add all of the things right here, you can add them. So I have added like a scratch pad right here. You can go with my tasks as well. So if I just want to add my tasks, I can just grab it, and let's actually drop it right here. Okay, perfect. So we have my task and scratchpad as well. Similarly, I can change the background as well, and you can see I can just get rid of a background too. So we have customized our home. I'm gonna exit this, and now I'll show you how to create a note and a task. To create a new note, you can either click right here on new note, or you can just go to new and then select a note. All right, so this is, first of all, we have to name our note right here, and I can just call it whatever I want. So I'm going to just enter a title. Let's say it's new topics for my video. And now I can just start writing, or I can drag a template as well if I want. We have a to-do list. If I want to create a to-do list within my note, I can do that. We have a meeting note as well, project plan. So this is the kind of one I want, a project plan. And now what I can do is I can just add, for example, I'm gonna go with topic 1. So this is what I like to do with the planning, that I organize it and I have now these different topics, and now I know which day I'm gonna complete them. We can also do this project wise if we want. For example, there are like 5 weeks or 4 weeks, then you're gonna just add different topics right here. So it totally depends on you, but this is how I do it. Like I add the topics here. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add that what I'm gonna do according to this topic on this day. So I'm gonna just type, maybe I will be writing a script. Okay. And then on week 2, what we're going to do is we're going to review the topic 1 or this whole project. And you can just name your product whatever you want. And then you can like 1 week, if you are completing 10 videos, you can just add them right here. What like whatever kind you want to go with. So I work in this niche. So that is why I have like this kind of project plans. We have like notes started, on track, at risk as well. So Evernote is kind of like having a project management, a notes, and a scheduling platform in one, which is like the best thing. And if you have an Evernote, you don't need to go to any other platform. So this is kind of like a project one. And I can just click on this plus button and it will allow me to add a divider, add attachment, photo, checkbox, a code block, sketches, and for upload from Google Drive. We get all of these different options right here. These are going to be my customizing, my text customizing options where I can change the font, size, color of the text, whatever I want. We can also create points with these options, and then in more, we're getting alignments and we're getting like different headings. This is how you create a task, and you can just like now click on save, or you can just click enter, and that's it. Your new task will be created. You can see this is like my task. Let's go ahead and create another task really quickly because I want to give you a full review about it. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a personal, note for myself, and it's going to be like affirmations. It's like for my personal use. And now what I can do is I can create a separate notebook for my personal use here. And for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with a to-do list, and I'm going to add first task is going to be working out. So this is like my today's affirmations, or this is what I want to do today. And I can just like add for today, and I can add more and more into it. And then we have like tomorrow, what I want to do tomorrow. So I can just create a to-do list. And once I'm done with the task, I can just check it out. So this is how it shows you that you can actually divide it into separate days, into separate weeks, and you can create to-do list within your note, checkbox, and plans, whatever you want to do. It's not just simple notes that we write on Google Notes or any other platform. Once you're done, again, I'm going to click on save, and this note will also be saved right here. So you can see in total, I have 6 notes. So this is how you will be creating notes. Let's say you want to create a task. So I will take you right here to the task section, and creating a task is really easy. You can create one task or more tasks as well. So for task, what I'm gonna do is I actually have a task which is send files to CEO. Now this is my task that I actually have to do, and it's really important. So now I can just like set a due date, add reminder, add priority, and assign it to myself as well. Click on create, and a new task will be created. So creating a task is really easy. Let's say you want to create a notebook. So we can also create notebooks. So I will go to this notebook section, click on create, and now I can create a separate notebook for work. That's it. Click on create, and now a new notebook has been created. Every time I create a task, I can now select notebooks from here. Then I have tags, so I'm going to click and add a new tag. The tag is going to be for important. I'm going to click on create. Now I will add all of my important tasks right here in this tag. Similarly, I can create as many tags as I want. Then we have shared with me option, and it will allow me to share my workspace with a team member if I want, or a family member if it's for personal use. So using Evernote is really, really easy. You could just simply go to your home and you will get access to all of the features right here. Now you can create notes. You have your own scratch pads. We have our own sketch option, which allows us to sketch to if I want to. So we can just like sketch anything as well within our notes. We can actually create cards. I like to actually send, handwritten notes sometimes to my family members. So this is like perfect for me, and I can just write whatever I want. Once you're done, you're gonna click on done. I'm just gonna cancel it because it does not make sense. Okay, perfect. So this is how you create a sketch as well. And then we have attachment, which is an important option, and it will open up your computer for you. All of the tasks will be shown right here within your notes, and you can delete a task as well. You can see I have a lot of extra tasks created. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just select this task. Let's go to home and do it actually. All right, so we have a task right here. What I'm gonna do is, so to delete a task, you can just like click right here on more actions and then click on move to trash, and that note or task will be deleted. You can of course find it in trash, but you can also permanently delete it from the trash as well. So this is a tutorial for you guys for Evernote. I try to cover up everything for you guys, and as a complete beginner, now you know how to use Evernote, create tasks, create notes, how to create tags and projects, and how to use Evernote as a pro, get more productive and save time. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.